Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am again in front of you with the determinants. This is my third lecture of determinant. Or in this lecture I will teach you area of triangle, minors and cofactors. Okay, come to the first topic, that is area of triangle. Area of triangle. How we can find the area? In a triangle there are three vertices. Let us suppose we have three vertices of a triangle x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Okay, how we can find the area? There is one formula finding the area. Area is equals to half x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. In class 10th, we have a coordinate geometry. In that geometry, we have already done this area of triangle, but that is not using determinant. This is by using determinant. For this, we want, in a determinant, we want square matrix. So this is not a square matrix. To make it a square matrix, we have 1, 1, 1 along with the vertices. Okay. Now, how we can find the area? For example, we have first question of your first part of your exercise 4.4. Question says that find the area. Find the area of triangle with vertices 1 0 6 0 4 3 using determinants. So how we can find when the questions asked for by using determinant, so you have to, it is compulsory for you to choose only the determinant formula. So what is the, how we can find the area? Area is equals to half, taking vertices with 1 1 1. This is 1 0 1, 6 0 1 and 4 3 and 1. Why I have choose only this example? Is it very easy? No, it is not easy. I want to clear one thing to all of you, that you have to expand the determinant through that column or row which has more number of zeros. In this column we have 2 0, so it make, if I choose this column for expansion, it make the calculation very easy. Okay, so I have 3. I will expand through half. This is the sign of modulus, not determinant. When I take it, it is positive, negative, positive, negative. So I will take negative 3 common. And when this column and row will cancel, this is 1 minus 6. So this will equals to half. This is the sign of modulus. I will repeat again because it is not a determinant. It is the sign of modulus. Modulus means absolute value. Area will never be in a negative form. That's why you have to take only the modulus to make it a positive. Okay? Minus 5 and 3, 15. That is 15. The area is 15 by 2 square units. Right? This is the area by using determinant. Now 3 points. Keep in your mind. What are the 3 points? First point. The first are, area is always a positive quantity. Therefore we always take absolute values. Okay. Second, if area is given, use both positive and negative sign for determinants, for calculations. Okay. Third and last point, that is very, very important, and you all know, the area of 3 collinear point is always 0. You all have learned this these collinear points properties in class 10th also. So if points are collinear, the area is equals to 0. So this is all about the area of triangle. Now come to the question when you have to find the equation of a line using 2 points and by using determinant. You have to find the area of line. How we can find the area? You all know in a line the area will equals to 0. So we have to suppose one point. Let us suppose we have one question from your NCERT. What is that question? Question is find the area of line joining. Because in a line we have only 2 points. The area of find the equation of line joining. Question number 4, first part. This is 4.3 exercise, not 4.4. This is 4.3. Find the equation of line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 by using determinant. So how we can find the determinants? How we can find the equation of line by using determinant? We know that in a line the area will always equals to 0. So suppose one point, because for using this concept we need 3 points, but only 2 points are given. So let a point be, one point be xy. Area of line is equals to 0. That means if we have A is equals to 1, 2, this is the point P. B equals to 3, 6. Area of PAB is equals to 0. Right? So by using this area formula we can find the equation of line. Kaise? 1 by 2 xy. First of all take point P, then 1, then A, 1, 2, 1, then third one 3, 6, 1. 2 multiplied with 0 vanish, and try to make these two zeros by using properties. R2 minus R1, that is 0, 2 minus y, here 1 minus x. And the third one is 1 minus 1 again 0, 6 minus y, and here 3 minus x. 3 minus x. So this is the determinant by using, I will write the property by using R2 minus R2, change R2 minus R1, R3, I will change R3 minus R1. Okay, now come to the equation. When you expand, this column and row will cancel. We have 1 minus x, 2 minus y, 3 minus x, 6 minus y equals to 0. Now multiply these two, 1 minus x, 6 minus y, minus 2 minus y and 3 minus x is equals to 0. So 6 minus y minus 6x plus xy minus 2 3s are 6 minus 2x minus 3y plus xy is equals to 0. 6 minus y minus 6x plus xy minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus xy is equals to 0. This and this will cancel. 6 and 6 will cancel. After subtracting these two we have minus 4x, and after taking these two we have 2y. Taking 2 as a common factor, negative 2. So that will equals to negative 2x minus y equals to 0. That means 2x is equals to y, or y equals to, you can write it as a 2x minus y is equals to 0. This is the equation of line joining 2 points. So this is the way to find the equation of line by using determinant. Okay. Now come to the minors and cofactors. That are very easy concept. Minors and cofactors. This is your 4.4 exercise, that is minors and cofactors. Very easy exercise. What are minors? Minors and cofactors are related to each other. Minors and cofactor both are related to each other. How? What is the meaning of minors? Minors of a element means deleting. If I want to find the minor of element Aij, element of Aij of determinant is the determinant obtained by eliminating, deleting ith row and jth column, in which element Aij lies. Minor means we have to obtain one determinant by deleting that row, first ith row and jth column. This will not be clear if I will not take any example. So I will take one example. First 2 rows and 2 columns, and then 3 rows and 3 columns. It is represented by Mij, right? So how we can find Mij? How we can find, for every element there is different. For every element there is one minor. For example, we have a determinant is equals to a determinant 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Minor of 2. We can write it as M11. First row, first column. This row, first row and first column is deleted. We have 6. Right? Minor of first row and second column, that is minor of 3. So how we can first row and second column? Minor of 3, that is this column second and first row will cancel, we get 4. We have to cancel these two and we get 4. Now M21, second row, first column, we have to find the minor of 4. This column and this row will cancel, we get 3. M22, how we can find M22? This row and this column will cancel and we get 2. Now come to the cofactor. I will explain cofactor along with this so that it become very easy for you to understand what is the relation between cofactors and minors. Cofactors. Actually cofactors are also related to minors. These are represented by capital Aj. And what is the relation? How we can find capital Aj is always equals to -1 I plus j Mij. If I want to find the cofactor of any element of the determinant, the value of the minor is same but the sign will be different. Okay. How? Now if I want to find A11, this -1, 1 plus 1 is equals into 6. That will equals to 6 because even A12, 3. So 3 raised to power 3, that is -4. A21, again 2 or 1, 3. -1 raised to power 3, that make negative, same here. And with the 3 we have -3. A22, that will equals to this row and this column, this value is 2. With the odd element, when you see it by adding, if there is an odd number 1 plus 2, 3, then you have to take negative, otherwise the minors and cofactors are same. Only at the odd places you have to change the sign. Okay. Now come to the 3 rows and 3 column example. If I take a 3 row 3 column example, we have Let us suppose we have first example. We have a determinant 2, 3, 1, 0, 6, 2, minus 1, 4 and 3. Now first of all, if you want to A1, 1, this row and this column will related. 6 3s are 18, minus 4 2s are 8, that is 10. A1, 2, this row and this column will cancel. 0 plus 2, that is 2. Now come to the M1, 3. How we can find this and this will cancel? 0 plus 6, that is 6. Now come to A21. A21, this and this will cancel. What is the value? I should not keep in mind that there is a 0, so all the term becomes 0. No, this is the minor of this one, so ignore this value. What is the value of that minor? This and this will cancel to 1. 3 3s are 9, minus 4. 9 minus 4, that is 5. M22, how you can find this row and this column? 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, that is 7. M23, this row and this column. 4 2s are 8 plus 3. So M23. Fit 2 3, this 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 8 9 10 11. M31, how we get this and this? 3 2s are 6 minus 6, that is 0. M32, this column, this row will 2 2s are 4 minus 0, that is 4. M33, that will equals to this and this will cancel. 6 2s are 12, minus 0 is equals to 12. So this is the way to find the minors. Each and every element have their minors. Now come to the cofactor. A11, that is 10. A12, then again odd number to minus 2. A13, 4. By adding these two, we get 6. A31, 2 1. No, this is 2 1. A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So we have so many, there are 9 elements in a square determinants, in a order 3 determinants. 2 1, that is positive, this is have positive, odd. 2 and 1 3, negative, positive, negative, positive, 3 or 2 5, negative, and this is positive. So this 21 is 5, 7, 11, 0 and 4, this is 12. So this is the way to put the signs for the cofactor. Okay. Try to solve 4.3 and 4.4 exercise on the basis of these two topics. Thank you.